Hello friends, in this video I will talk about Indus Valley organically natural hair color which has no PPD, no ammonia, no peroxide, and it is 90% natural color, and its ingredients are 90% organically tested. I will share you the process and the application method, before and after results in this video, so keep watching. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such informational videos. So let's get started. In this kit we get 5 things. First of all, aloe honey gel and some pouches for hair dye. I have made another video of unboxing this Indus Valley natural color. So here you can see we have aloe honey gel, one comb with the brush, gloves are there, shampoo is there, and spa cream is also there, and 4 pouches are there, and these 4 pouches are in powder form and they are the color which is the actual color. So I have taken it in black color, and depending upon the length we can use the pouches. So here I will use only one pouch. I am applying on the hair which are almost 90% gray, and we can make the paste by simply taking out the powder of that color from the pouch. Depending upon your length you can increase or decrease. Here I am using only one pouch. It in glass bowl, so you can put it in glass bowl and use the aloe honey gel. Mark is given, 1/4 aloe honey gel we need to add in, and marks are given to use. For example, this 1/4 portion we need to fill in with this aloe honey gel to make the smooth paste. So here I am adding it, and it is an orange color, and fragrance of this dye is very nice. Orange fragrance is there, aloe vera is there, honey is there, so it will keep your hair moisturized as well. So here we need to mix it with the brush, and you need to apply this paste immediately after making it. I will be applying this paste on my husband's hair. So here you can see it 90% of hair are gray, and you need to apply this dye on clean hair. No conditioner should be there, no hair oiling should be there. So on freshly washed hair you can apply. So you can apply using comb and brush, and gloves are also there, so you need to put in gloves so that no stain should go on your hands. So like this you can put it, and I am showing you here small demo how to apply. So I will use comb and brush to apply this hair dye on his hair. So like this you need to apply it all over the hair, and after applying with brush you need to comb it so that every hair strand should cover with this dye. After applying it, you need to keep this on your head at least 30 to 35 minutes, and you can also keep it for 45 minutes to 1 hour, but minimum 30 to 35 minutes you need to keep it on your hair. And after that you need to shampoo it with the shampoo given with this kit. So you can use the shampoo, and you can see that all gray hair are covered with this color, and this is 90% natural, and your hair will become very soft after this treatment, and no headache will be there with this color, no itching, no allergy is there. But you need to do allergy test as everyone's skin is different. So after washing you can see the color of the hair within 30 minutes. This has been changed from gray to black. So this was the video application process and how to use it. So I will make another video for its review part, where so many comments or so many questions I will cover. So keep watching, and if you like the video then please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such informational videos. Thanks for watching.